Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In the last video, I promised you that I will give you the brushes that I made for free. So today's the day. I just finished it yesterday, and today I will show you the brushes that I made, how and when to use it. I'll put the link in the description. Just click on it and you will be directed to my Google Drive. This is the file, nature brush package. Click download to download and then open up Affinity photo and import it. Okay, after that you will see these 6 different brushes inside. So I will draw a night sky view. As you can see, I already did the background coloring. I will add the ground first. Using lasso tool. Okay, so the first brush is flower pattern brush. This is the brush that I made in the last video. If you remember about it, I want to keep it, so I include it inside the package. Maybe it will be useful for you. Next, the second one is star brush. You can use it to draw stars in the sky, like this. You can also add blur effect. Just duplicate the layer and then go to filters and blur, Gaussian blur. If you want to add it or not to make it looks more cool. I think it's better this way. And next we have tree brush. Sorry, I just made one shape of tree. Maybe I will add a few more later. Just click on it like this. Okay. Next we have grass brush. This is grass brush 1 and grass brush 2. You can choose which one that you want to use. Okay. And the last brush, this is cloud brush. Just one click. Like this. Okay, I think it's good enough. You can also use it on your photo, not just drawing. I will show you. You can add star to the sky in this photo. Like this. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like the brush that I made, and hopefully it would be useful for your editing or drawing. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.